Hey everyone, I've got something here that arrived from eBay today, which is an ERA closed shackle padlock. It's a lever lock, 5 levers. Although it's used, or it's new old stock, apparently, you can see it's still sealed, so it's going to be an out of the packet pick. Not done one of these before, using a nice little Swiss Army knife I was given to cut it open. See what's in here. Well, it was done it, sealed it quite well. Although obviously there is some damage to the top. There we go. Plastic shroud. It's a 5 lever lock. Nice chunky lock. Hardened shackle. Yeah, looks like it does the business. So, to open it, we're going to need 2 tools, just like we would do other locks. We're going to need a turning tool and then a tool to move the levers. Now, the turning tool I'm using is actually provided to me by Andy Mack. He runs a superbly good YouTube channel about lever lock picks and lock picking. He makes his own stuff, and this is one of his turning tools from a couple of years ago he sent me. This, on the other hand, is from the Mad Bob's padlock range, so it's a bit of a hybrid tool, which I quite like. So that goes in there like so, and then that turns and that puts tension on the shackle release. And then obviously next thing we've got is that we've got the lifters, so they go in like so. Turn the tool around like so. And then what we're doing is we're still find the levers that are a bit stiff and then move them up through the pack. This is a Mad Bob lever lifter. Could take a while. I'm still learning how to pick these things, but there we go. It took a lot less time than I thought it was going to do. But oh, it's nice and simple. Close it down, turn it around. I'm going to try and tempt fate and try opening it again. This time using an Andy Mack lifter. Profile on this is slightly more curvy than the other one, but same principle. In like so. Hang on. Don't get it jammed in there. So that makes it not work very well. In like so, and then off we go. Okay, the phone just rang, so let's see if I can open that again. So let's start again. It's quite heavy actually. It's quite. I don't like to do this for very long. So that's the front. Yeah, that's the 5 lever done. They do ERA do what they call the big 6, which is a 6 lever one, which I don't have because they are very expensive. But the 5 is a real pussycat to play with. So if you want to get yourself one of these, I would get yourself a set of tools. Mad Bob sell them on their website. Andy Mack also sells tools as well, which is great. Yeah, get yourself a set of tools, get yourself some locks, and just have a play because they're great fun. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, guys, and goodbye.